Hello friends, this video on electrostatic potential part 17 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till part 16 before going ahead with part 17. Energy, but now we will discuss it in terms of mathematical expressions. I did not talk about the mathematical terms related to potential energy. So we will quickly have a look at those aspects. I have already explained you what is potential energy. Still, let us have a quick review. Potential energy of a charge at a point is the work done by the external force equal and opposite to the electric force in bringing the charge from infinity to that point, right? It is denoted by a capital U. When I talk about units of potential energy, it has to be the same. Whether I talk of gravitational potential energy or electrostatic potential energy, energy is always energy. So the SI unit has to be joule. Other units which we often use is electron volt, as I mentioned it while I was talking about electric potential as well. That electron volt is often used as a unit of potential energy. So now let us look at the potential energy of a system of 2-point charges. Let us suppose we have 2-point charges. So what would be, how would we find out the potential energy of the system mathematically? Let us suppose this is 1-point charge. This is another point charge. So we have 2-point charges. Let us suppose the first point charge is located at A. The second point charge is brought from infinity, that is from some far off distance, to some point B. So let us mark these charges as Q1 and Q2. Let us say that this is Q1 and this is Q2. Okay, so we bring Q2 from infinity to some point B and Q1 was already there at point A. And let us suppose the distance of this point B from A is R. Let us suppose that this distance is R. So what happens in this scenario? See, Q1, the charge Q1 was already located at point A. Now when you bring Q2 from infinity to B, there is an electric potential which exists due to charge A. Suppose you are bringing charge Q2 from infinity to B. But since Q1 is already existing there, so there will be a potential due to Q1 at point B. So when Q2 will come to point B, it will experience an electric potential due to the charge at point A, right? So in this case, if I want to find out the potential energy, I have to find out the work done. So what I have to find out? I have to find out the work done to bring the charge Q2 from infinity to point B. So what will be that work done? It will be the magnitude of the charge into the potential difference, that is the potential at B minus potential at infinity, right? Now we know that the potential at infinity is 0. So this will be equal to Q2 into the potential at point B. Now what will be the potential at point B? The potential at point B is due to charge Q1, right? Whatever potential you experience at this point is due to this charge Q1 which was already existing. Therefore, we can write that this potential will be equal to K, the same expression which we used for potential due to a point charge. So it will be KQ by R. So that is KQ1 divided by R. Therefore, we can say that the work done, that is this work done, becomes equal to Q2 into K into Q1 divided by R. Now what is this work done? Work done to bring a charge from infinity to B, that is nothing but potential energy. In the previous slide, I defined this thing as potential energy, right? So this potential energy becomes equal to K Q1 Q2 divided by R. So this is the expression of potential energy of a system of 2 charges. Now did you understand the physics behind this? Since this charge particle was already there, so there will be a potential because of this particle at this point. And this particle comes from infinity to this point. So when this particle reaches this point, it experiences a potential. So that potential which Q2 experiences is because of Q1, right? Okay. So now let us. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.